14 metaverses you can already enter in 2022. Metaverse is a world, which doesn't exist, but you see and experience it anyway because it is all virtual. This video will talk about significant metaverses currently and provide you with out-of-the-world immersive experiences you have never had before. So, watch out for these top 14 metaverses. 1. Sandbox. The Sandbox is an Ethereum-based decentralized NFT gaming metaverse. This platform enables tech-savvy players to create, sell, buy, and monetize their virtual reality NFTs. 2. Decentraland. Decentraland is a platform where you could create, trade, monetize, and explore the virtual world that the users also own. 3. Axie Infinity. The platform of Axie Infinity does not own a bit what to expect in its metaverse. You get welcomed by flying robots, hammer-wielding mutants, flying beasts, and beings you have never seen before. 4. Sorare. If you love playing soccer online, then Sorare is just the thing for you. It offers collectible digital cards to connect trade with other users in the portal's open marketplace. 5. Illuvium. Illuvium is an entirely decentralized RPG adventure and collection game built on Ethereum blockchain and immutable XL2 network. Players quest through vast and varied landscapes to hunt and capture magical deity-like creatures called Alluvial. 6. Metahero. Metahero powers Ultra HD metascanning technology and has a powerful crypto token that goes by the name of $Hero. 7. Upland. Upland is the brand new NFT metaverse mapped to the real world. It is fast becoming the most significant and most dynamic blockchain-based economy in the metaverse. 8. My Neighbour Alice. It is a blockchain-based multiplayer farm and builder game played by millions of players worldwide. 9. Bloketopia. The Bloketopia metaverse comprises virtual real estate blocks, available for block token holders. The metaverse is a virtual skyscraper of 21 levels set to access as a central hub for all information and types of crypto experiences. 10. Ertha. Ertha is primarily an explorer game but has a lot of variables that make the experience within the game exciting and entertaining. 11. Star Atlas. Star Atlas provides an entirely new, groundbreaking, and futuristic science fiction experience using the latest technology such as Unreal Engine 5's Nanite for immersive visuals and cinematic quality. 12. Somnium Space. Somnium Space is an open virtual reality space built on blockchain shaped entirely by players. The space offers its players to make, buy, and import NFTs for instant use and monetization. 13. Ultra. Ultra is different in many ways from the platforms we have read about so far. For stairs where rest of the platforms offer you, although an immersive experience, however but in a singular metaverse. 14. Mines of Dalarnia. Mines of Dalarnia is an action-packed adventure game where players mine, collaborate and combine their forces and assets on their way to improving their skills and unlocking in-game secrets and rare items. Conclusion. Now that you have gone through almost all major players in the metaverse, pick your favorite, jump on the meta wagon before the rest of the world, and make your money while being entertained. Thanks for watching.